Good afternoon, dear colleagues. You know, we all share the highest calling there is in the work that we do, and that is the protection of life. As we moved ahead into the future, we wanted to be able to also blend the type of weather information that we had to that type of information that you would need to make sure that we could help you in mitigating your objectives as far as any particular high-impact event you're dealing with. And in working together, we felt that strengthening the partnership, we would improve the resiliency of our nation. Because in reality, this nation, as we look over the entire world, sports the highest amount of severe weather you'll find anywhere. We're going back to 1974 and comparing it to a 2003 outbreak of tornadoes across this nation. And we can see that in 2003, we had 2.5 times more tornadoes than we had in 1974. Yet, in that widespread outbreak of tornadoes, we had 1/10 the number of deaths. When we look at, of course, the hurricane environment that we are in, again, here we see the climatology since 1851, and we've had over 1,400 tropical storms and hurricanes depicted there. But despite our significant vulnerability, and I think this is important, going back to looking at trying to measure if we're having any success, a nation as ours, with populations growing along the coastal areas and populations growing across much of these challenged areas, we are still holding the line on the number of deaths, if not bringing them down. Indeed, our partnership is making a difference. It takes awareness, it takes education, it takes forecasting, and it takes responsiveness and preparedness to make sure that we have everything in place so that people know what to do when the time comes to get out of harm's way.